must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whispers in your ear, words that are all this time, words only you would hear, if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should I move when you look in my eyes? 'Cause by now I know that you feel the way that I do. And it whisper these words as you lie here by my side. It said, I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Ooh. So today I finally found the courage deep inside just to walk right into your door. But my body can't move when I finally get to it, just like 1,000 times before. In the world I had admit this letter, and I hope this finds the way into your heart. It said, I